Okay, can you see this? Okay. Yeah, it's be very short, because if you look at our current participating institutions, as I just mentioned, across 13 states, with different sectors of the edge computing, starting from the carriers, the equipment vendors, also some service vendors, and so on the first, as well as the educational stakeholders and also the community stakeholders like a town of Cary. But this organization is charged particular mission the people who are in charge, including Jeff Derby, who is there, just behind the CISO, and also the Jeff Carlock and myself, also participate in such collaboration activities. So this I have already showed the external advisory board, including some companies have been working closely with us, and the synergy and differentiation with the industry are listed here. So basically, we observe the goal of the industry for the efforts on the industry center trying to solve the problem and the profit driven. And also the solid layers, those research activity, but Athena trying to do something complementary. So we're trying to even disrupt, the industrial standards, which look one more step ahead, and also solve the problems and advance the foundation of the technologies. We're also trying to generate the research. It's not just for the profit of one particular companies or something. We're looking for the public interest, which will generate a broader impact, to the industry. And finally, we're looking for the cross-layer, cross-domain research, which will give some, inspiring ideas, so that will, to complement the research in the industry. And also we talk about collaboration and talk knowledge transfer, including other advisory board of panels and local government, geared towards the success and equity of the mobile network system. And we have intellectual engagement, talk about the annual symposium, highlights the user-inspired research. So we'll invite all stakeholders and also collaborators to join us for this annual symposium. There will be 5 of them. And also to engage professional societies like HWE, ACM, or any others. And also we are looking for the opportunity to place our students, including both undergraduate students and graduate students, for the internship. And we will invite the faculty members from other universities to join us for the sabbatical or visiting, and also place our faculty members to the company for those sabbaticals on the first, which can have a direct impact on the industrial projects. And also, we invite the people to join us for the annual symposium for the same reason. I want to mention that, the same program, which means the CSR program, CS program of the NSF also found, a center which for the different goals, but has overlap with our current PIs or the members of the center at Duke, which is NSF IUCRC, that stands for the Industry University Cooperative Research Center for Alternative, Sustainable, and Intelligent Computing. This IUCRC center is a consortium which spanning on the 4 focuses, including the defense technology, information technology, infrastructure, and application, particularly on the computing platform for the cognitive applications. It has been running for 3 years. It's actually paved a good foundation for this Athena Institute. We now have 15 or 16 company members to join us. They support us by using their membership fee, and to support some selected research projects that will be of broader interest for all of them. So it's not like an individual project, with the individual PIs, rather than the membership, and we have the annual review meeting to select the project which is going to do this. So we are looking forward to using this IUCRC as a site, a center to encourage the collaboration between the Athena people and also industrial companies, to do additional research that will not even within the scope of a center directly, but could be relevant to continue. So there are going to be other opportunities. Annual retreat and review meeting. We'll continue to have this symposium and review meeting every year in the hybrid way. And we will have a bi-weekly seminar series. We'll invite the people from company, also from other universities, give a talk, so that we also give a talk, and public to our stakeholders. We have workshops and trainings, tutorial that will become available to our stakeholders, and also have visiting researcher plan, which allows the researcher from the company and the government lab to come here and to perform research with us. And we do have our office for them on the 4th floor. And all the engagement with the professional society like IEEE, Future Network, community, to work on some roadmaps, standards, on the AI machine learning services, connecting or the unconnected devices on the first. So we call for all kind of collaboration, both technically, educational, or any other types, and we hope this collaboration opportunity will push the frontier of our research to the next level. Okay, so I will stop here. This is the last talk we're going to give for today, and we're open for any comments and questions from our audience.